Morning students, hope you all are well. So today we are going to discuss sex determination in human beings. So we have 46 chromosomes in our body. Out of this 44 chromosomes or 22 pair of chromosomes, they are known as autosome. Why? Because they determine our body characters like our skin color, height, etc. And the rest one pair, they are known as the sex chromosome because they determine the sex of a child. So whether it will be a male child or it will be a female child. Next, in our body, so two sex chromosomes are there. One is X chromosome and one is Y chromosome. So during gamete formation, the egg that is coming from the female that contains the X chromosome and the sperm that coming from the male. So the sperm contains either X chromosome or Y chromosome. So what happened during fertilization? If the egg means the eggs, if the eggs is fertilized by a eggs bearing sperm, then it forms XX, that means a female child. And if the eggs is fertilized by a Y bearing sperm, then it forms the combination that is XY, means a male child. So as you can see in the diagram, the egg X is fertilized by the eggs bearing sperm and forming XX, a female child, and the egg X is fertilized by a Y bearing sperm and forming a male child, that is XY. Now some genes are involved in this sex determination. So the name of the gene is SRY, okay, and it is present on Y chromosome. So on which chromosome it is present? It is present on Y chromosome. And this gene is responsible for development of male characteristics and male reproductive organ, the main male reproductive organ. Okay, so when it is present in XY individual, because the Y chromosome is present there, so when it is present in XY individual, it activates some of the male pathway genes. So male pathway genes means they are some combination of genes and they activate or they help in the development of the male reproductive organ and hormones. So when SRY gene is present on XY individual, it activates the male pathway gene, and the male pathway gene furthermore activates the development of testes and secretion of the testosterone hormone and help in the development of primary and secondary sexual characteristics in male. So as I have told, SRY gene present on Y chromosome. So in XX individual, this gene is absent. So when this gene is absent, all the male pathway genes are blocked. Okay, so when this male pathway genes are blocked, there is activation of the female pathway genes. So female pathway genes also some combination of genes, and it also helps in the development of ovary, okay, and it helps in the secretion of the female hormone, that is estrogen and progesterone, and helps in the formation of primary and secondary sexual characteristics in female. Now let's see the video.
Some genes are involved in sex determination. So this SRY gene is present on Y chromosome. So it is a XY individual and this is a XX individual. So this SRY gene, as you know, it is present on Y chromosome. That means it is present in the XY individual. So when the SRY gene present on Y chromosome, it activates some of the male pathway genes. MPGS means the male pathway genes. So now all the male pathway genes are activated, and this male pathway gene activate the development of testes, and when the development of testes occur, it helps in the secretion of the male hormone, that is the testosterone hormone, and also the development of primary and secondary sexual characteristics in male. So this pathway is the development of male with the presence of the SRY gene. But in XX individual, the SRY gene is absent. Why? because it is present on only Y chromosome, so it is not present on X chromosome. So in this individual, SRY gene is absent. So when the SRY gene absent, it inhibits, this is the sign of inhibition, so it inhibits the male pathway genes. Okay, that means there is no development of testes and no such male characters. So when there is an inhibition of the male pathway genes, alternatively it activates all the female pathway genes. FPGS means the female pathway genes, and the female pathway genes help in the development of ovary, and from the ovary it secretes all the female hormone, estrogen and progesterone, and it develops the formation of female primary and secondary sexual characters.